Welcome to Learn Chivabwe. Today, we are going to be learning the vowels in Chivabwe. The vowels that Chivabwe has are A, E, I, O, U. Let's start with A. The vowel A can be written continuously for as long as you want, and it is still considered one character. Now, what's important is how you recognize A. There are 4 different visual forms of A. These are used depending on the consonant it is attached to, the combination it appears in. So, when you see one of these characters in a combination, you can identify that there is the vowel A. Also, when A is written by itself, it always looks the same as shown here. In short, A can be written continuously as one character. A has 4 forms depending on the combination. Next is E. Like A, E can also be written continuously as one character. There are 2 ways that E can be written when combined with other characters, but it's mainly just one because in the first example, E is only written like that in a combination when it's with KH, a vowel, then E as shown here. When written by itself, it looks the same. And generally, for the second way to identify E, the difference mainly appears when it is attached to specific consonants. In summary, E can be written continuously as one character. E has 2 forms depending on combination. Now let's look at I. I has one consistent form. This means wherever you see it, no matter which character it is attached to, it does not change its form. And just like the other vowels, it can be written continuously as one character. Next is O. O behaves the same way as I. It has one consistent form, no matter which character it is attached to. And it can also be written continuously as one character. And finally, we have U. U can also be written continuously as one character. But here, repetition has a special meaning. UU is 2 U sounds. UUU or more represents ululation. Ululation is a cultural sound expression used in celebration, joy, or ceremonies. As long as U is written 3 or more times, it represents ululation. And U has 2 base forms. The first is used when U is the first letter of a word. The second is used when U appears elsewhere in a word and is not attached to any character. When U is attached to other characters, it can be recognized in 2 different ways. Vowels that have multiple forms when attached to characters are not used freely or interchangeably. Each consonant allows the vowel to be written in a specific way. If the wrong form is used, it becomes incorrect. But once you understand the patterns, this becomes very easy. Now let's look at examples using N, na, ni, no, nu. This shows how each vowel is applied on the character N. You'll learn more ways of applying vowels correctly to characters in the next lessons. If you understood this, you've just learned the foundation of how vowels in Chivabwe work, and you are one step closer to mastering the script. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.